Hi everybody. Previous class we are discussing about HTML and structure of a HTML program and some basic tags also. Today we are learn about the HTML tags. HTML tags. HTML tags. And in this tags we have the first tag to discuss, bold tag. Bold tag. We already known about bold because of when we are using the computer, when we are writing in MS documents in the MS Word, we are highlighting the document with a bold tag, same just like here, but here we are in the tag with a bold B tag, and this is the start tag and this is the end tag. When we are writing some between these bold tag, it is can be highlighted in the content of web page. It is used to highlight the content of web page. For example, you can write HTML and body open and hello. Here I want to bold the students and close the bold tag and closing the body tag and closing the HTML tag. We are discussing about every tag will be having the ending tag also. And here the output, the bold tag between the students, this is the normal text, it can be highlighted with the bold, okay, like this. Bold, this is used to bold tag to highlight the particular word. And next tag we have the second tag, italic tag. You already known about italic tag also. Italic means it is a cross lines, just like it is indicate the tag I with I, and this is a normal text and it is ending the italic tag. And after using these italic tag we have the output crossed like this, not exactly but like this. And next underline tag, third one, underline tag. The name tag will be indicates underline the text. We are using the underline tag. Underline tag is nothing but U tag, that is the normal tag has students, and closing the underline tag with a /U, and output like this has students, and this is the underline by the has students. And next tag, heading tag. Heading tags, we have the heading tags H1 to H6, H1 to H6. H1, it is a, compared to H6 it is a bigger than all the sizes, and whereas coming to H2 and H3, H6, the size of the heading will be decreasing like this. When we are using the H1 tag, it is the more than size of the H3, H2, H6 and H4 like this. And whereas coming to H1, H2, H3, up to H6 will be small size of heading, Actually the font size in this is 17. Actual size is 17. This is the heading tag. This is the heading tag. And also we have the standalone tag. Standalone tag means some tag does not have the closing term. We are discussing about the tags. Each and every tag will have in the ending tag. Whereas coming to standalone tag does not have the ending tag. That is called standalone tag. For example, break, break. This is not having the end tag like this. /br like this does not have the break ending tag. It does not have the ending tag. And also hr means horizontal line. Horizontal line means like this, horizontal line. It is also not having the ending tag. Break means it is break. We already known break means some gap in between the one line to another line. This is called break, and this is not having the ending tag. And hr horizontal line, it is also having the does not having the ending tag in this standalone tag. That's why we are called as standalone tag. For example, I have write hello, and when we are using break tag, and after the break, one line gap between this and next line students. This is the break tag. And we are having the some more tags in the HTML, and we are discussing the next classes. Thank you everybody.